go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Where did Uno go? Oh!
Oh.
It's so cute. Hi, Henry. Hi.
Is that Uno?
Hi.
Is that Uno?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh. Whoop. Hi. You love Uno. Hello, Henry. Hello. Hello. Is that tickle? Give Uno a hug.
Give him a hug. Oh.
Oh.
Can you give him a kiss? Can you give him a kiss?
Uno kiss.
Like,
That's it. Yes. Yes. Oh, I love you.
oh, he's very
Kisses.
sweet, Henry.
Kisses, kisses.
He's like,
When to
okay,
go?
okay.
Bye-bye. Here he goes. Where'd he go? Hi, he's my buddy.
Oh.
It's okay. It's enough.
I gotta throw some blocks around now and be a real man.
Yeah. Gosh, I'm an alpha male. Yeah.
Throw those trains out too. Forget it. But there he is. He's so cute. I can't help but hug him. Oh. There he is.
Hello, Henry. And here comes Lex.
And there's Lex.